everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I created this pushpin mask and skull look, then please keep watching. I concealed my eyebrows using Elmers glue. Getting right in there in between all the hairs. I then brushed the hairs upwards and found that the best way to flatten them out is with a steel spatula. Once the glue is dry, I use the Mercier translucent powder to set them and to fill in any gaps and smooth them out. To then conceal the eyebrows, I use the Mercier High Coverage Concealer. This is the most opaque and high coverage concealer I've ever used and really good if you've got thick eyebrows like I do. Setting the concealer with the translucent powder. I then use a Dior eyeliner pencil in white to mark out where I was going to put the mask. I use the Makeup Forever Colour Airbrush in white as a base. I then use the Makeup Forever Colour Airbrush in black to mark out the cracks of the skull. I use the same white to paint in the eye sockets. I used the black eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette to create the shading. As a base for the mask, I used the Airbrush Shimmer in Silver from Dinair. I then used the Mold Life Aquafix Glue to attach the pushpins.
Eight hours later.
I used the same black from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette to create the shading on the neck and chest area. And the same Shimmer in Silver from Dinair to paint the hair. I applied the Sclera lenses off camera and Tatti lashes in TL24. And that's the completed look, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see any more of these looks, then please consider subscribing.